always make the comment, you don't have to go to the gym, you did your workout. 6 tons of coal is a lot of weight. The water, as you came up, you stopped at 2 different places to fill up with water, and the reservoir in the front boiler, etc. area holds 5,000 gallons, plus a extra area of 1,500. The drain burns about 10,000 gallons of water to get up to Silverton and back. The railroad was developed and used and finished in 1882 from Durango to Silverton. It took 11 months to build this section. It's pretty fast.